Need to activate your StraightTalk service? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your phone up and running in just a few minutes. Whether you're activating a brand new phone, bringing your own device, or setting up a new SIM card, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. We'll also cover how to keep your existing phone number and fix some common activation issues. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. What you'll need before you start. Before activating your StraightTalk service, make sure you have a StraightTalk phone or SIM card, your SIM card number or phone IMEI number, a stable Wi-Fi connection, a debit or credit card if you need to purchase a service plan. Method 1. Activate online. Recommended. The fastest and easiest way to activate your StraightTalk service is online. First, open your web browser and go to the StraightTalk website. Next, click on Activate and choose whether you're activating a new phone or bringing your own device. Enter your SIM card number or IMEI number when prompted. Then choose whether you'd like a new phone number or want to transfer your existing number from another carrier. Select a StraightTalk service plan, or enter your service plan PIN if you've already purchased one. Review your information and submit your activation request. In most cases, activation only takes a few minutes. Once it's complete, restart your phone and check for service. If service doesn't appear immediately, try turning airplane mode on and off or rebooting your device one more time. Method 2. Activate by phone. If you prefer, you can activate your service over the phone. Using another phone, call StraightTalk customer service. Follow the automated prompts and provide your SIM card number or IMEI when requested. You'll also need your service plan information. After submitting your activation request, wait for the confirmation message. If you're transferring a phone number from another carrier, the process may take several hours and, in some cases, up to 24 hours. Common activation problems and fixes. If your phone shows no service, restart the device or toggle airplane mode on and off. If your SIM card isn't recognized, remove and reinsert the SIM card, then restart your phone. If you're transferring a number and it's taking longer than expected, remember that number porting can take several hours to complete. If you still need help, contact StraightTalk customer support. That's it. Your StraightTalk service should now be active and ready to use. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.